And welcome to another edition of The Smoking Den. I'm your host for this evening. You know my name, Smoky Dan. And today we're going to be reviewing the Obsidian White Noise Toro Extra. I tell you, I usually don't like huge bands. This is an exception. I think this is kind of cool looking. It's like this big, like cedar sleeve, but it's not cedar. It's just a thick paper that slides right off. I'll tell you, you take a look at this wrapper. This is one of the oiliest wrappers that I've ever seen. And this is like my hair if I grew it out and then didn't wash it for a week. Yeah, it's a little bit on the veiny side and just incredibly oily. It's a nice, rich Habano, Ecuadorian Habano wrapper. It's Nicaraguan and Dominican fillers. Size is a 6.5 by 54, and it looks scrumptious. So, I've never smoked a white noise. I have smoked the regular Obsidian, the one with the black label, and whoa, hold up. I am going to have to use a regular cutter for this. I was about to wreck it with that shuriken. So it is a little bit of peel. So, in 2 seconds, I'll be back. Hold the camera on the cigar. This, folks, is what happens when you're not prepared. All right. So I'm looking forward to this. As I said, I smoked the Black Label Obsidian, and I thought that it was very tasty, very one-dimensional, but still a tasty one-dimensional. Ooh. Oh, that's a wonderful first puff. Wonderful first puff. A little bit of spice, a little bit of vanilla. That nice little bit of like a very low-key coffee bean finish. Some small earthy tones on the back palate. And then there's this very lush herbal flavor coming in the mid palate, and that's not something I usually say about an herbal tone. Usually an herbal tone, it's either if it's strong like this, it's usually an indication that a cigar isn't aged enough. But in this case, this is a very developed herbal flavor, like almost a eucalyptus. In any case, I am very pleased with what I'm getting on this first half inch, and I'm looking forward to the rest. Obviously, I got quite a few inches left, so we'll be back with it in a few seconds on the YouTube screen with the verdict on this Obsidian. And welcome back with the verdict for this Obsidian White Noise. It's got everything. It's got a little bit of earth, a little bit of spice, quite a bit of creamy, creamy sweet cedar. beautiful lingering finish. This is a great cigar. And I know you're looking at it, it looks really ugly. And yes, it was sort of peeling down, but I can't knock the cigar for that because it's my fault. I got to take responsibility. I screwed up the cut on this. Because the construction in the beginning was beautiful, and I'm sure that wouldn't have happened, if I hadn't screwed up the cut. That said, everything else has been perfect. The burn's been beautiful. The ash, you can't really see it here, but that's been handsome. Held its ash really well. Draws perfect. And this flavor profile, it's just beguiling. Just a little bit of that vanilla coming through on that finish. It complements the whole cigar. It's terrific. If this was a $15 cigar, I would be happy to smoke another one. I am giving this, and I don't usually like to do this, but this cigar merits it a perfect 10 out of 10. And at a 5 to 7, sometimes even less price point, this is one of the best cigars I've smoked in my 13 years of smoking for this price point. It's a no-brainer to pick up a box. I plan on picking up a box. It's just so good. The burn's been perfect, even though it's been unraveling due to my bad cut. I mean, oh wow. It's a medium to full-bodied cigar. I like this a heck of a lot more than the Black Band Obsidian, I'll tell you that. It's ugly, but it's a beautiful cigar. You'd be crazy not to try this cigar. You gotta try it. I am wholeheartedly recommending it. So go out. I hope on my next video that you're watching, you're going to be smoking one of these. I'm actually tempted to stop reviewing and just keep smoking these. But for you guys, I won't. And until next time, keep smoking. We'll see you around with the next review.